The world of photography is buzzing with anticipation, and for good reason. Imagine holding a camera that redefines what's possible. One that captures light with unprecedented clarity, processes images at lightning speeds, and delivers an icy, immersive shooting experience that blends nostalgia with cutting-edge innovation. The rumored Nikon ZFR could be that camera, setting new benchmarks in both still photography and videography. A new era for photographers. Why the Nikon ZFR stands. Remember the first time you held a camera. The excitement of capturing a moment. Forever. The way your heart raced as you pressed the shutter button, knowing you were preserving a slice of time. Now, imagine reliving that feeling, but with the power of groundbreaking technology at your fingertips. The Nikon ZFR isn't just another mirrorless camera. It's potentially a game changer for professionals and enthusiasts alike. For those who have followed the evolution from film to digital, from bulky DSLRs to sleek mirrorless bodies, the ZFR represents more than just another iteration. It's a fundamental shift in what's possible. Let's break down why this camera could be revolutionary. Megapixel sensor, a new standard in image quality. At the heart of any camera is its sensor, and Nikon is rumored to equip the ZFR with a 45 megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, a technology derived from its flagship professional lineup. This isn't just about higher resolution, it's about delivering unprecedented dynamic range, superior low-light performance, and color accuracy that captures the finest details even in challenging conditions. With backside illumination, BSI, technology, this sensor efficiently captures light, minimizing noise and maximizing image clarity. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate how this sensor enhances landscape photography, portrait photography, wildlife photography, and even astrophotography. Key features: 45 megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS, sensor 15+ stops of dynamic range for extreme shadow and highlight detail, superior color reproduction, and high ISO performance, improved detail retention, making post-processing a dream. Video capabilities, 8K and 4K, like never before. The Nikon ZFR isn't just for photographers, it's designed for filmmakers too. Rumored specs suggest 8K video recording at 30 FPS, delivering stunning cinematic clarity. K at 120 FPS, ideal for slow-motion footage that retains rich detail and smooth motion. 10-bit N-Log, HDR recording, and raw video output, ensuring unparalleled post-production flexibility. Imagine capturing travel vlogs, documentaries, or high-quality YouTube content that rivals professional productions. Filmmakers, vloggers, and content creators will appreciate the combination of high resolution, frame rate flexibility, and industry-leading color science. How this stacks up against the competition. Compared to the Canon EOS R5 Mark II, the ZFR boasts better rolling shutter control and superior autofocus tracking. Against the Sony A7RV, early reports suggest the ZFR could deliver faster subject recognition and AI-powered autofocus. The Fujifilm GFX 102 might have medium format resolution, but the ZFR's dynamic range and low-light handling could make it more versatile. Blazing fast, autofocus and subject tracking. One of the most frustrating challenges in photography is losing focus at the worst moment. Whether you're tracking fast-moving wildlife, a model in a dynamic shoot, or a child running in a park, the Nikon ZFR's autofocus system is rumored to be one of the fastest and most precise ever developed. Featuring 500+ phase detection points covering 95% of the frame, AI-powered eye detection, and 0.02-second subject acquisition, the ZFR could rival Sony's best-in-class autofocus systems. Key autofocus enhancements: AI-powered tracking for humans, animals, and vehicles, expanded coverage area for superior edge-to-edge sharpness, low-light autofocus performance that excels in challenging conditions, customizable tracking sensitivity for professional-level control, burst shooting, and low-light mastery capturing. The perfect action shot requires more than just good autofocus. It demands speed. The ZFR could feature an electronic shutter mode with 20-30 FPS burst shooting, ensuring you never miss a decisive moment. For low-light shooters, the new X-Speed processor and 7 to 8 stop in-body image stabilization, IBIS, could make handheld night photography a reality. No more tripods, just sharp, noise-free images in near darkness, ergonomics, design, and connectivity. For those who love Nikon's classic retro design, the ZFR reportedly maintains a familiar form factor, but with lighter, more durable materials. It's built to last while offering a comfortable professional grip. Other standout features include OLED electronic viewfinder with higher resolution and better refresh rates, fully articulating LCD touchscreen, perfect for vloggers and low-high angle shooting, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring seamless image transfers and remote control. Dual card slots, CF Express and SD UHS 2, offering faster storage speeds and redundancy. Who is the Nikon ZFR 4? The Nikon ZFR is shaping up to be the ultimate hybrid camera, whether you're a professional photographer, looking for a high-resolution workhorse videographer, seeking next-gen video performance, content creator or vlogger, aiming for cinematic quality, wildlife or sports photographer, needing fast burst rates, and precise tracking traveler wanting a single body that does it all, the ZFR could be the only camera you'll need. Expected release date and price industry insiders suggest that Nikon is taking its time perfecting the ZFR, meaning we might not see it until late 2026 or early 2027. While that's a long wait, it indicates that Nikon is prioritizing quality and innovation over rushing to market. The estimated price? Between $2,500 and $3,000 for the body only, with lens bundles starting around $3,200. Given the feature set, this pricing could position the ZFR as one of the best value high-end mirrorless cameras. Final thoughts. The camera that could change everything. The Nikon ZFR is more than just a new model. It's a glimpse into the future of imaging. It combines powerful still photography capabilities, state-of-the-art autofocus, industry-leading video performance, and intelligent AI-driven features into one cohesive package. For those who remember the thrill of their first camera, the ZFR promises to reignite that passion with a tool that removes technical barriers and lets creativity flourish.